everyone! Today's the day! The sun is shining, the tank is clean, and we are getting out of... The tank is clean. The tank is clean!
But how?
Boss must have installed it last night while we were sleeping.
What are we gonna do?
What's it say, Peach?
The Oxy-Scum 2003 is an all-purpose, self-cleaning, maintenance-free saltwater purifier that is guaranteed to even extend the life of your aquarium fish.
Stop it!
The Oxy-Scum is programmed to scan your tank environment every 5 minutes.
Scan? What does that mean?
Temperature 82 degrees, pH balance normal.
Ooh, nice.
Curse you, Oxy-Scum!
That's it for the escape plan. It's ruined.
Then what are we gonna do about...
Stay down, kid.
False alarm.
My nerves can't take much more of this.
What are we gonna do when that little brat gets here?
I'm thinking.
Nemo!
Hold on, I'm coming! Swing down! Come on, kid! Swing down, come on!
Everybody jump in!
Down!
That's it! What the?
Good work!
Nemo!
Shark bait!
Roll, kid! Come on, kid! Just lean, kid!
What's the window?
Whoops. Now, that would have been a nasty fall. Just
go belly
calm
up.
down,
Don't
Nemo.
let me go
You
belly
won't go
up.
belly up. I promise. You're gonna be okay.